This week we have discussed machine learning, including artificial neural network. Specifically, what you have learned is that overview, some introductory topics on machine learning. What is machine learning? What do they do? How they can be useful in engineering? We have discussed that. Then we came to artificial neurons, which are the building computational block of a much powerful computational tool, that is artificial neural network. So we have discussed artificial neuron at length, and then a bit about artificial neural network we have seen with an example. Assignments will have very simple conceptual questions, some very simple manual calculations on machine learning, nothing to worry about. Machine learning as well as artificial neural network both are now indispensable tools for practicing engineers. If you want to work in industry, any industry, not necessarily it means that this is IT industries or software industries. In all industries, machine learning is becoming very important tool. So in my opinion, all engineers, irrespective of their branches, must have some basic knowledge on machine learning. Of course, in this course, we cannot provide all aspects of machine learning. That will not be a justice to the content of the course. So therefore, I'll suggest that if you are interested, I have tried to give you some inputs about machine learning so that you can become more interested. If you are indeed interested in this after going through this last 3 weeks of lecture, which are related to machine learning and data-driven techniques, you should take a separate full-fledged course on machine learning. It will be necessary for all engineers in upcoming years. Now coming to the closer to this course. How did I plan this course? What did I want to impart in the students who are taking this course? I have 3 points here, and these points are very important. The point number 1 is that simple engineering systems, how can we model them mathematically? And this is a very important skill of any engineer. We cannot test every system, we cannot measure every system physically, and from measurement we cannot give immediate prediction. That is why mathematical model is of absolute importance for all engineers, be in academia, be in research, or be in industry. In this course, I have tried to give you the idea that how we can simplify complex physical system and create few equations that can predict what will happen to those physical system given certain inputs. So that is the first part. The second part is, once we create the model, we have to solve them, which in most cases you have to solve numerically. You have to write computer programs for that and solve in computers. We have talked about that at length. Now these two are obviously of fundamental importance for all practicing engineer. And then there is a third part. This is especially important for those who are interested in higher studies and research. They cannot just solve the model, they cannot just make the model. They also have to go slightly deeper into the model, look into the mathematical aspects of those models. I have tried to give some idea about the mathematical background of this model. So this course has fundamentally 3 aspects. First one is making model, second one is solving model, and third one is going into the theory of those models. If you have learned little bit of all 3 of this, then this course is a successful course. That is the way I will mark this course. So I will hope that now that you have completed the course, for simple engineering system, you will be very confident that you can write that system in terms of few equations. Second one, you should be confident that given some equations, you should be able to solve them, no matter their differential equations, ordinary or partial, or There, linear algebraic equation, nonlinear equations, you should be confident now that you can solve simple equations like that. And finally, you must have some idea at the end of this course that you can talk about the theory of numerical methods. So congratulations, you have successfully completed the course. This is not an easy course. It's a grueling theory for 12 weeks, a lot of assignments. But I hope you have enjoyed at least some part of this course. If you have any question, even in future, you can send me an email. Email is the best way to contact me. And I hope that I'll see you once again in future in some other courses. Thank you.